out. Don't you let it get you, even though it's looking promising and promising you quicker, watch out. Don't you let it get you, playing with the puppet master, have you wrapped around his finger, and he got you doing his dance, caught inside of a trance. Chains that restrain, invisible to your glance. How do you remain with brain when everything is pain to make sure he gains in his demand? He pay you a little, but are you worth just a little? All that breaking your back is really breaking potential. But society be like, you can have it all, right? Just devote your entire life to work all night. Not living for my dreams, I ain't living for the everyday slave. That ain't ever been my way. Living for my dreams, I ain't living for the everyday slave. That ain't ever been okay. Living for my dreams, I ain't living for the everyday slave. Feeling freedom with the page. Living for my dreams, I ain't living for the everyday slave. I ain't living in a cage, I could never do it. Too ill with the skill when I get to it. Tired climbing up this hill, but I keep moving. Too irregular to chill, gotta keep it grooving. I hear people jibbing, jabbering, talking they smack. The same people that be comfortable working for Jack. Are you a boss and take charge and all that? Or do you work for the boss and just report back? I see a slave in a different way. Clocking that 9 to 5 for only minimum wage. I see a slave in a different way. Mentally trapped in society's ashtray. Mentally trapped in your brain.